Hi everyone, this is Professor Mayunger and you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. Let's get started. Here in this universe, everything depends on the principles of demand and supply. Whenever you want to purchase something, that is also dependent on the principles of demand and supply. As an example, suppose you want to purchase a laptop, then definitely two things comes to your mind. What should be your requirement and what is the price of that one? Again, you can say it is depending on demand and supply. Demand means what is your requirement and supply means what is available based on your requirement, right? Similarly, for purchasing a laptop, we need to depend on your requirement. That is what type of gaming laptop is required, whether it is for initial stage gaming, whether it is hardcore gaming or it is a mid-level gaming. Excluding that, you have to depend on supply, that is what is available based on your requirement. Now the thing is, before knowing your requirement and also what is available, first of all we should see what are the minimum requirements for having a gaming laptop, right? So gaming laptops require specific requirements that are necessary for providing optimal gaming experience. Here are the some important requirements for having a gaming laptop. First one is a graphics card, or you can say GPU, then processor, RAM, display unit, storage, cooling and input devices. These are the most important things. Because you know, for gaming most important requirement is GPU, that is graphical processing unit. Let us discuss one by one in a detail. Next to that, we'll see what are the different models available based on our requirement or based on price, right? First one is a graphics card, or you can say GPU. A dedicated graphics card is crucial for a gaming laptop. A high-end graphics card ensures smoother and faster frame rates during gameplay. Processor is also a very important parameter as it handles data processing and also helps to improve the overall gaming performance. A high-end processor ensures that the laptop can handle complex tasks required for gaming. Next comes the RAM. RAM is also a very important parameter for a gaming laptop. A high amount of RAM is essential for a gaming laptop as it enables faster data processing and also multitasking. A minimum of 8 GB RAM is required for modern games, but for a better performance 16 GB or more is recommended. Next comes the display unit. A high quality display unit is important for a gaming laptop as it provides an immersive gaming experience. A laptop with a minimum refresh rate of 60 Hz is required. For better experience, you should have more refresh rate. Higher the refresh rate, better is the experience. Now comes the storage. Gaming laptop require a fast and efficient storage system to handle the large game files and also data. And in gaming laptop, SSD or solid state drive is recommended. More the storage, better will be the experience. And we know that SSD provides a better boosting time and also faster game loading. Therefore, for a gaming laptop, it is recommended to have a SSD compared to normal hard drives. And cooling system is also very important in case of gaming laptop, because in gaming laptop, huge amount of heat is liberated during extended gaming sessions, which can affect the performance and also can damage the hardware. A good cooling system with a lot of fans and heat pipes are essential in a gaming laptop. These are required to keep the system cool and provide the optimum performance during gaming. Input devices are also very important while selecting a gaming laptop. Here I'm going to select top 5 gaming laptops under Rupees 70,000 in 2023. In our list, the first one is ASUS type gaming laptop A15 and the price of this one is Rupees 64,990. It is a great mid-range gaming laptop that offers excellent performance for its price. It is powered by an Intel Core i5 11th generation processor with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti graphics card, which is capable of handling most of the demanding games from medium settings to high level settings. It is having a 15.6 inches Full HD IPS display with a refresh rate of 144 Hz, which provides a smooth and responsive gaming experience. It comes with 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD. Second model in our selection is HP PAVILION Gaming Laptop 15 and the price of this one is Rupees 69,990. It is a powerful gaming laptop that offers great value for its price. It is powered by an Intel Core i5 11th generation processor with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, making it capable of running even the most demanding games from medium settings to high level settings. It is having a 15.6 inches Full HD IPS display with a refresh rate of 144 Hz, which provides an immersive gaming experience. It also comes with 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD. The third model in our selection is LENOVO IDEAPAD Gaming 3 and the price of this one is Rupees 67,990. It is a solid gaming laptop that offers a good performance with a reasonable price. It is also powered by an Intel Core i5 11th generation processor with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, making it capable of handling most of the games from medium settings to high level settings. It is also having 15.6 inches Full HD IPS display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which provides a smooth and responsive gaming experience. It also comes with 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD. And the fourth model in our selection is Dell G315, and the price of this one is Rs 68,990. It is a decent gaming laptop that offers a good performance for its price. It is also powered with Intel Core i5 11th generation processor with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, making it capable of handling most of the games from medium settings to high level settings. It is having 15.6 inches Full HD IPS display with a refresh rate of 120Hz, which provides a decent gaming experience. Like the previous models, it is also coming with 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD. And the last model in our selection is ACER NITRO 5 gaming laptop. It is having a price of Rs 69,990. It is a top-of-the-line gaming laptop that offers excellent performance with features. It is powered with Intel Core i5 11th generation processor with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. It is having 15.6 inches Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixel, which provides clear and vivid visuals. Like the previous models, it is also having 8GB of RAM and 512GB SSD. It is having a backlit keyboard, which is ideal for gaming laptops under low light conditions. The laptop's design is sleek and stylish, making it an excellent choice for the gamers who want a powerful yet elegant laptop. So these are our selections. Now we need to provide a final verdict from our selections. Overall, these 5 gaming laptops under Rs 70,000 offer excellent value for money, and I'm sure that all these gaming laptops will provide you an enjoyable and immersive gaming experience. Whether you are a casual gamer or hardcore gamer, I'm sure that all these laptops will meet your gaming needs and provide excellent performance and features at an affordable price point. The technical specifications of all these laptops are almost equal. The first one, the ASUS gaming laptop, is having a little bit of better GPU, that is 1650 Ti. I have a personal preference for the ASUS staff gaming laptop, and my second preference is ACER NITRO 5. With this one, I'll conclude my video. If you are having any kind of doubts and queries, please write to me in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. And if you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.